Thank you for purchasing the GDI Tech Hour Meter to help you track your runtime and ensure proper maintenance. It comes with a lot of unique features and with all hardware included. It includes the meter, the pickup wire, a tie wrap, and screws, but you can also use double-sided tape. Let's have a look how to install the hour meter. Pull the pickup wire through the meter from the bottom through the pickup hole. Place the end of the wire into the dead end hole and pull it tight. Determine where the exit of the pickup wire should be, at the front or the side. Wrap the meter pickup wire tight around the spark plug wire. Wrap it about 4 to 5 times and then fix it with the supplied tie wrap. Now mount the meter on your equipment using screws or double-sided tape. But make sure that you only mount on flat surfaces to avoid display pressure. The GDI Tech Hour Meter is available in several models. You can choose between resettable versions and non-resettable versions. Decide if you want to display hours only or tech and hour. Timers and service intervals are included. They can be customer specific. Just ask for detailed information or check our website.